Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Sophie and today I'm out on a little hike in a nature reserve. And I'm gonna check the map and take a little route, maybe go swimming and, well, just show you this beautiful nature. So I think I have been walking halfway, but actually I don't know because I suck at reading maps. So I know I am on a trail, but I'm not sure I'm on the trail that I was planning on. So at the moment I'm just hoping to find a lake soon so I can take a little snack and cool down. So now I decided to take a break because I found this really nice shelter and there's a small lake in front of it. Not good for swimming, but well, I'm gonna take a break and continue walking until I find a good lake for swimming. Well, I'm glad I didn't decide to take a swim here, because there we have a little snake swimming around. I found the lake. I did take some time looking at the map more seriously while I had my break. So now I'm here and I'm gonna change into bikini and take a swim to cool off. refreshing to take a little swim. A bit too cold, but it was okay because I was very warm from walking. I'm gonna jump back into my clothes and head back to the car because I decided to finish with my swim. So, hope you enjoy this little walk and that I'll catch you next time. Bye bye!